your dreams come true.
Goji berries! Woohoo! It is 7 in the morning and I am foraging. I just harvested some raspberries. I'm gonna put it in with the goji berries. Ooh, late bone set. Really great for setting your bones when you're sick. Good for like coughs, flus, all of it. Really good. I really love chokeberries. Guess who's hosting dinner at their apartment? Me! So everyone that came camping last week is coming over to partake in the chicken of the woods that we foraged. Look at them. So beautiful. I've actually gone ahead and cut them all up so they look like little chunks now. And I'm going to marinate them in jerk sauce. And for this one, I feel like I just want to do like a glazed something. I don't know what specifically, but I'm gonna figure it out in the next 5 minutes. Let's get to it because we got 1 hour. Let's make these jerk mushrooms. Okay. Call me a forager, for real. I don't really forage too many mushrooms, but it's always exciting when I do. I'm not gonna lie, you know, my balcony is a beautiful wild mess and I love it. I can still find what I need at any time. Yeah. We got some hidden peppers, you know, growing. Got some habanero up here. Look at that, you see it? Like, even though it's a beautiful wild mess, there's so much abundance in the wildness. I've gone ahead and washed what I harvested from the balcony. Tell me this does not look like chicken. This looks like chicken to me. Let me show you. Does this not look like chicken? Am I bugging? Hold on. Bro, it smells like chicken. That doesn't look like chicken to you. I mean, obviously when you taste it, it don't taste like chicken. Anybody who says, oh yeah, this mushroom tastes exactly like chicken, they're lying to you. You can taste that it tastes like a mushroom, okay? But does it not look like it though? It looks like it. I would be deceived. It looks like a chicken breast. It really does. Nice. My little peppers. Just gonna put them in whole. Almost ready. Ooh la la.
By the ocean, they just sleep out on the beach.
Ooh.
And like, what do they be sleeping in?
Say hi everyone. Hey! Reunion! Camping reunion!
We made it safe and sound. Yeah.
We did! We did! Ooh, we're eating the mushrooms.
Still eating.
Yeah. Ooh.
The chicken of the sea.
Yeah,
or the
do.
woods of
the sea. The chicken of the sea.
We think I'm talking about Jamaica. I was like, oh,
I know, right? So this is the jerk, chicken of the woods. And then this one is honey and what is it again? Oh, teriyaki. I don't even know what I made. Ooh, and everyone else brought their amazing food. I'm so excited to dig in. Yes. Woo. Whew. Happy new beautiful day. Listen. I'm low-key going through it right now. I am. Currently, I am re-strategizing because what I've been doing has not been working. Listen, I have not worked for anybody in 4 years. And I want to keep it like that, alright? I need help. I'm trying to figure out better marketing strategies. Primarily, I've been getting a lot recently from YouTube as well. Like, thank you so much for supporting. But prior to YouTube, I would post a lot, and then I got burnt out from like just posting heavily all the time on TikTok. At one point, I was posting on TikTok for my business like 3 times a day. And I was like, oh no, I can't do this no more, you know? I had a couple videos go viral, and for the last couple of years, I've been heavily reliant on markets. But I decided this month that I will no longer be doing markets out of scarcity. I quit. Alright? My body doesn't want to do markets, so why am I forcing it to, you know? So I quit. I'm aware. I know that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, and I will no longer be insane. I release, alright? So I gotta try some new things. Anybody have any tips in regards to how I should promote my business more? Let me know. Yesterday's dinner was impeccable. Oh, so good, so good. So much banter, so many beautiful conversations. I am elated and very full. So I've committed to doing one more camping trip before the end of the year. So if you're interested, there's a form in my bio that you can just fill out. Yeah, but I honestly love hosting outdoor activities, and I think I'm going to explore that a bit more, you know? Anyway, I'm about to go to the garden because I want to make some medicine. Last week I was supposed to make a ton of medicine, which I did but didn't, so this week is a new week to execute, and I'm so excited to do that. What do I want today? I'm low-key feeling chestnut flowers. I'm gonna add a little bit. Right now, so far in my blend, I've got some, oh, it smells good. Some linden flowers and some singing nettle, and I think I want some chestnut flowers. Really good for emotional well-being. I need it. Pick me up in this present moment. Flowers, they are so pretty. Oh, we actually might get passion fruit this year. I saw one, but I can't recall. I don't see it now. They are so pretty. I want to make tea with them, so I'm actually going to harvest a few for tonight, and this will be my bedtime tea. Just want to see how it reacts in my body, how I feel. Great for anxiety. Oh, it just smells This is the part I never record, but this is New York, so you're bound to hear sirens, honestly. Yeah. I just always wait for the sirens to leave, and then I do my little peaceful video, but there's always a siren somewhere, honestly. Anyway, I'm drinking my afternoon tea. It is so good. Beautiful day in the garden. It's just me, as always. It seems to always be me. I'm like, where's everybody? But I feel like everyone comes on the weekends, and I just come whenever I desire, which is when no one's here. Raindrop. Okay. Okay, so my goal is to harvest things that I'm going to utilize right away. Right now I'm by the culinary herb bed. Right here is one of my faves. Oh my, it didn't actually produce as much as it did last year, but This is Perella. It is in the mint family and it literally tastes like licorice with a hint of mint. Perella, Perella. This is not me just eating it. I want to make a couple tinctures as well. This I'm going to utilize for a tincture. I've been meaning to make a lemon balm tincture. Something smells like Tulsi. Oh my gosh, there's Tulsi in here. I didn't even know that. I just smelled it. What a beautiful life. Oh my gosh, Tulsi is in here. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so Tulsi smells so divine. You can't miss it. But let me harvest some lemon balm and be quiet for a second. That's crazy because I was really like, wow, I smell Tulsi. And there it is, right under my nostrils. Ah, Tulsi, I love you so much. Holy basil. I think Tulsi might be the winner for 2024. I'm not gonna lie, Tulsi really just made my whole day. Oh, and there isn't actually a lot of Tulsi in here. So I don't know if she was planted by accident or just popped up. Oh my gosh, Tulsi, I love you.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there.
So there's a good amount of thyme right here. I'm gonna harvest it. I wanna make a thyme tincture. I'm just gonna snip, snip, snip. Yeah, buddy. I love thyme. I'm so grateful. I learned so much this year. I did everything I desired this year. Like, in terms of summertime, I did everything I desired. But I'm really grateful for this year. It's been a very transformative year. I've met so many new people. I've been in community with so many new people. I've transformed in so many different ways. I've been able to exercise my own personal power in ways. I've been able to remember my power instead of people telling me. I mean, people have been telling me a lot, but instead of people just telling me I'm powerful, I've been able to like understand my own power, you know? And I'm just so grateful for this year. Really, really. I spent a lot of time outside in garden spaces and in the wild. If I could go back a couple months, I'm not changing anything. I love it. I love 2024. I do. And we've got 4 more months, so let's get it and let's live the life that we truly desire. 4 months to do something towards your own goals, your own vision, for your own personal pleasure. 4 months. I'm not trying to be a motivational speaker or anything like that, but really and truly, like, ask yourself, look in the mirror, are you really living the life that you desire? And if not, why? Why not? You know, like, I'm not living full on the life that I desire, but in this present moment, I am, you know? Every choice that I make is towards that life, you know? So, I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. We're grateful. We are. We got sage for days. I think I'm also gonna make a sage one as well, since I have so much.
So that we are not fighting with it, but we're helping to evolve and shape. Instead, I personally believe it's good to be informed, it's good to be empowered. Right in. All right, my loves, so hopefully you are all ready and cozy and comfortable. I do want to let you guys know, and many of you guys know this, what I do is I take a few steps back before I break down what is that we can expect in this week. Open up the door, which is problematic because then we start to see whatever starts popping off around that new moon. We start to see a trend. That tends to kind of set the tone for
this lavender is beautiful. We've got a lot of thyme, which I'm going to make a tincture with, and I'm also going to dry some for seasoning, and I'm also going to make mouthwash. We also have rosemary that I'm actually going to attempt making a tincture with as well. I'm also going to dry some for kitchen use, and we have a lot of yarrow that I'm going to dry, marigold as well that I'm going to dry. I'm going to go ahead and wash everything and then put them in their places. After I wash them, I towel dry them and then I hang them. So this is lemon balm. Oh, it smells so good. I'm making a lemon balm tincture as well. as well as drying some for tea. Hopefully this is dry enough to go up here. Up it. It's not like I don't utilize them. God knew that I could not have any roommates because I need every single crevice of this apartment. In order to do the work that I was called here to do, I need this entire 2-bedroom apartment. Even more, honestly. But anyway, I am content to... Okay, let's continue this. So now we're in my hallway and I am about to utilize this right here for my plants. We're going to soak it overnight. It's a perfect natural fertilizer. Gives all the plants the nutrients that it needs. From chlorophyll to iron to zinc, the list goes on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bucket and allow it to infuse overnight. And then I'm going to take that bucket and water all of my plants. Yes. So not only do I drink the herbs, I also allow everything around me to drink too, you know? Yeah. I have too much fun in this apartment, I'm not gonna lie. Too much fun. So I've already got my hot water, I'm just gonna literally put it in. Sometimes I would crush it, but it's okay, it'll be fine. Just got out the shower and I'm looking at my tea and I'm like, what happened to all the color? It's not purple no more. There's not a speck of purple. Wow, this is actually so interesting. Oh, it smells really good though. This is my bedtime tea. The passion flower. This is me. I've never drank it before, so I'm excited to just experience her. Wow, the flavor is very potent. Smells so good. I'm about to moisturize and go to bed. Honestly, I am tired. I definitely utilized this day well. Start with my face. Thank you for being a friend. I've had a lot of people who are going through chemo say that this has been their saving grace, and I'm just like, wow, because your skin gets really dry. I mean, I wouldn't know, but from my own research, your skin gets super dry during chemo, and yeah, a lot of people have said Golden Glow has been their saving grace. I really do call it an everything moisturizer. Hands, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. For real, I put it everywhere. From my head to my toes. I don't miss. Let me just go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Stop. Oh my gosh. I love going to bed moisturized. I really cannot sleep well if I'm ashy. Like, I will wake up scratching. It's not good for anybody. Call me weird, but I actually like to use one of my perfume roll-ons before I go to bed. I don't know, I just like the smell. There's really nothing in this one anymore. So, but I just love it. It's a beautiful new day. I literally just got back from the gym, and guess who did not film their workout? Me. I was like, oh, I'm gonna take my camera, I'm gonna film. The camera stayed in my bag the whole time. I literally just forgot. Like, I was so invested in the workout. That happens sometimes, you know? But anyway, we are back on my balcony and I'm about to water my plants. Look how potent this is. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Natural fertilizer. and nitrogen and minerals. All the things the plants love. I didn't put the alcohol in last night. I just said I'll do it in the morning after the gym. We are using fresh flowers, and when you are using fresh flowers, you want higher alcohol concentration. So this one is strong, you know. It's 96%. People use Everclear, but I actually prefer this. I believe this is actually stronger than Everclear. Yeah, but I've been utilizing this and I really like it. So this is one of my faves. We're gonna go ahead and just pour. I'm making like small little batches because I want to try them all, you know. I'm so excited because I really get to experiment and just like test them all and see how my body reacts to all of these different medicines. And then next year I'll know what I want to really work with. Nature is so abundant, and with that doesn't mean you need to use everything, you know. You find what is a match for you. So these little tinctures are my little experiments for the next couple of months. This is literally what I'm going to be doing in the winter. I'm just going to be making plant medicine, preparing for the winter so I can like just be cozy up in here. You want to leave a little bit of space so that when you pop the lid on, the alcohol isn't touching the lid, you know? Or do you know? I don't know. I am doing lemon balm, and I am going to do some vegetable glycerin ones, but it probably won't be in this video. The thing is, alcohol is a normal part of nature. Like, as soon as a berry drops, it goes into fermentation. That is alcohol, you know? But humans have abused alcohol. So now everybody thinks, oh my gosh, alcohol is horrible. When it's actually a part of life. Like, you literally just put I just put sugar, water, and a flour, and that turns into alcohol. Fermentation. There we go. I'm just so excited for all my tinctures. Beautiful. Nature's remedies. I've really enjoyed this year. I'm not gonna lie. I've really been deep in my own personal practice, and it's felt honestly so good. Yay! I have 8 new tinctures. I'm so excited. For every herb, I wrote out a little label that tells me what it is, the date, and what garden I harvested it from, because I just like to know. I'm just a part of too many gardens, as well as I forage a lot, so it's really nice to have a distinction as to where I'm getting things from. But oh my gosh, look at my beautiful babies! I'm gonna put them in a dark closet. So excited. Oh, this is my yarrow one. So beautiful. Oh, the marigold is just so pretty. I'm done labeling all of my babies, and I want to show you guys some that, oh my gosh. Oh, this is not closed properly. Damn. Good thing I caught it now. This is my outfit for today. I told you guys, I have a lot of clothes and I need to wear them somewhere. So this is what we're wearing to the garden. I actually love this dress. It's from Reformation. I've actually worn it maybe 3 times in the last 2 weeks. I just love it, honestly. No one can tell me anything, but we have to go to the post office because I have to do a couple of returns, and then we are going to the garden. You know who I feel like right now? I feel like Elsa, where she's just putting her oil on. That's what I feel like. I spend a lot of time in here. This is my medicine room and I just love it so much. I feel like I played with the name a lot. Before I was like, oh, this is my skincare room. Then I was like, oh, this is the studio. And now I feel as though the name medicine room sticks. Like medicine studio, just medicine room, whatever. It just sticks. Because really and truly, that's what I do in here, make medicine. Internal, external. So yeah. Let me look at my schedule real quick to make sure I'm on track for today. Ooh. Okay, I haven't done that yet, but I can do that later. Oh, I did this. I didn't do that because I totally forgot to do that. I'm just gonna delete that. But anyway, whew, yes, I'm gonna take the rest of the morning to go to the post office, go to the garden, and then the afternoon is I'm locked in. I'm gonna be in here working on business stuff and my teas, but I'm working on that tomorrow. They're almost ready to go, but I mean we're playing with different things. They're basically ready to go. Like, I have the formulas and stuff. I'm also working on labeling and making sure that I love it. Since I'm deciding to go to the garden like this, let me not be stupid. I have to oil up with my bug repellent because oh, the way the mosquitoes will have a play day is not even funny. Like, talk about scarcity when it comes to mosquitoes. Because the way they bite, I'm like, are there no other humans? I'm not understanding. Ooh, okay. Get my chest and my back. I'm also having another dilemma. I'm like, should I shave my head or just let it grow? My birthday is literally around the corner. Virgo, woo! And I'm like, should I shave my head one more time? I've shaved my head twice this summer. Yeah. And I do want to start growing my hair for my locks, but I also really like the bald look, you know? So I'm like, should I shave it one more time at least? If I shave, okay, these are my two options. Should I shave my head one more time? Or should I shave my head one more time and dye it brown? Pick one, please. Let me know in the comments, please. It would really help me out. I need second opinions. I'm in my favorite garden. I haven't been here in a couple of days, and Mr. Prince literally was like, oh, like always, I got something for you. So he went inside to go get it. I can't stop him from giving. I will receive and continue to give too, you know? The more I receive, the more I'm able to give, so yeah, but it's so beautiful out here. We're gonna get some spinach today because I want to make my spinach African stew. Some okra, because I'm actually gonna put some of the okra in the stew as well. And I want some bitter melon leaves because I need to drink my bitters. I'm actually gonna make a big concoction of bitters for this week. My croissant and some figs is what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna actually take some of these, and the figs will actually be my filling. So good. Let's have a quick snack. So I'll take a piece of the croissant and some fig and wrap the fig in the croissant. That's good. Wow. Oh wow. This is so good. Wow. Oh, let me enjoy. Let me enjoy. I got some okra for my stew. I'm so excited for the stew.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there.
I literally have a basket of spinach because we're making my stew. We need spinach. The main ingredient is spinach. Wow, so fresh, so abundant, so grateful. Let me also tell you something. Not one bite. Not one bite today. I'm feeling very invincible. Can I? Not one bite. Wow. What happened?
I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Okay.
If you don't like it,
What you got this time?
if you don't like it, all you gotta do is let me know.
Okay, I'll let you know. Sorrel.
Okay,
of course I like that. Homemade sorrel by Mr. Prince. Huh? Oh, yes. Oh. Spirit is not dumb. Spirit is very intentional and places people in my life specifically for the reason of transformation, because I used to be so selfish. I live for examples, so I'm so grateful. There are so many tomatoes in this garden. I'm thinking I want to learn how to can them and preserve them that way. One of my favorite things to do is watch the birds eat the figs. It's so funny and serene to me, honestly. Look at this robin. Are you listening to me? Someone in one of my videos was like, oh, what about the birds? They don't eat the figs. Yes, they do eat the damn figs. They eat a lot of them. You know, I think that's why God made fruit grow throughout the entire tree at all levels versus just, you know, the bottom or the middle or the top. Because I do believe that what's at the top is for the birds. That's why we can't reach it. That's why we're not that tall, you know? That's why we can't fly. And what's at the bottom is for human consumption. Alright, it's time to go inside and do some work. I'm procrastinating. I got a lot to do. Okay, so I'm gonna make a sun tea. I'm gonna make a bitter sun tea with the cera seed that I harvested. I washed it already. Breaking it up would honestly help. Just breaking up the cell wall of the plant. Beautiful sun tea. I'm feeling very zen. I really am. You know what time it is? Now we all grown. You won't come off my line. Sit on my phone. Like the breeze in the trees. Yeah, you come and go. Call me blue. How can you come? Close my eyes. I still can't see the sun. When I see this. You know what I like sometimes is Tiny Desk. I just like putting it on. So good. No one's gonna love me like I do. It's true.
Yeah, right? So this is the energy that Spirit wants you to, and you are...
Oh my gosh. This is so good. I even forgot to take a video. This is exactly what I wanted. Wow, demolished. I was literally so hungry and excited for this meal. I didn't even take a video. Nor did I show you guys my presentation. I mean, technically there was no presentation. I just put it in the bowl. I was ready to eat. The okra and the spinach together, I feel like I put the right amount because it's just so flipping good. Whew, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Have a beautiful, abundant week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!